Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into a crucial topic, blood health. It is the lifeline of our body. In this video, I will share a powerful, time-tested Ayurvedic remedy to boost blood levels. Fascinating insights about blood that will make you a knowledge champ. 2 additional natural remedies that are easy, effective, and completely herbal. Take a snapshot before starting this remedy and compare your glow and energy levels after 15 days. If you continue for a month, get a blood test done and let me know your results in the comments. Let's first understand how blood is made and how it functions in our body. Where is blood made? Blood is produced in the bone marrow, a soft, spongy tissue inside bones. Where is it stored? The spleen acts as a storage house for blood. What does blood do? Circulates nutrients and oxygen throughout the body. Maintains body temperature at 37 degrees Celsius. Carries away waste products like ammonia and urea, which are filtered out by the kidneys. Protects the body by carrying white blood cells to fight infections. Helps in clotting through platelets, preventing excessive bleeding. What causes low blood levels? Blood is made up of 2 main parts. Liquid part, or plasma, makes up 60 to 65% of blood and carries essential nutrients. Solid part includes red blood cells that carry oxygen and contain hemoglobin, white blood cells that defend against infections, and platelets that help in clotting. When iron levels drop, hemoglobin decreases, leading to anemia, which causes fatigue, dizziness, and weakness. Powerful Ayurvedic remedies to boost blood levels. If you are suffering from anemia or low energy levels, try these powerful Ayurvedic formulas. Beetroot and pomegranate juice. Blend 1 beetroot and half a pomegranate. Add a pinch of black salt and lemon juice. Drink daily on an empty stomach for rapid blood improvement. Moringa, also known as drumstick leaves powder. Take 1 teaspoon of dried moringa leaf powder. Mix with warm water or milk and drink daily. Moringa is packed with iron, calcium, and essential vitamins that naturally boost hemoglobin levels. Follow these remedies consistently and see the transformation, especially for women, as they often face iron deficiencies. If this video helps, share it with your loved ones so everyone benefits. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Thank you for watching. Stay happy and stay healthy.